M boy. Little startup. Let me see. We got modes. Yeah, we got some modes. This shit no got no exhaust, no nothing on it. Y'all know my body. I got y'all right now. This ugly nigga about to come through. You about to. You got that? Come on! This nigga shit smoking me in that Q50 thing right there. That shit shark. I know I'll come and get y'all the 2022. Oh, this is a dash cam? Shit deed. Y'all know I'ma give it to you. Every time we come through. Got the Q50 on me. Let me see the sport. What this motherfucker hand for? Oh, you could change this shit. Engine Sport Plus. Oh, you can change the engine, the steering. You could change the transmission. Sport Plus. Yeah, let's see you now. You do got M mode in this shit though. Sport 1. Oh, we got sport mode right here. Alright. Like I said, I'm gonna give it to you every time. I don't know if this shit really spin though. There's a lot of people up here, man. I don't know if we could give it to them every time we come on the scene. Come on, watch out. Why this shit got so much G-force? Like, my head is hitting the back of the seat, bro. What the fuck is going on? It's a great camera angle for y'all, bro. Y'all cannot complain this time, bro. Like, dead ass. I'm gonna give it to y'all full this time. Fuck it. We out. Oh. This shit geek. This shit geek-a-toony, twin. Oh my goodness. God damn, we was just geeking. This shit don't spin though. Why this bitch ain't got no real spin to it? Where the bro? I'm gonna try to get y'all a donut too. Nah, this shit geeky right. What the fuck? Hell no. Like, who built this shit? Like, who really built this shit? Y'all see what's going on. Y'all really see what's going on. This bitch ain't... Oh, nah, the suspension on this shit, though, is wonderful. Oh, my goodness. I can't even do manual because, bro, that bitch in sport mode is... Oh, y'all thought that was crazy just now? Let me get this man some money. Let me get... Safety, brody. You ready? Stay blessed. We geeking in this shit. Gotta stay blessed. All the sin I be doing, man. Y'all folks gotta stay blessed. Gotta stay blessed. Gotta stay blessed, dude. It been geeky. Oh, that's grandma on a G. I ain't gonna lie. I thought it was one of them ones, though. You feel me? We really in one of them ones right now, though, bro. I try to get y'all crazy-ass pull right now, bro. I'm trying to hit like 100. Trying to hit 100. Fucks. I could have white line right there, too. Niggas ain't fucking with that Hell Kitty back there, though. Come on, Beamer, don't do that. That's another Beamer. Come on, bro. We sliding this shit, though. We spinning this shit, sliding shit. How much minutes we got on it? We got 6 minutes on him, man. I'm gonna get y'all 8 minutes. I'm gonna get y'all to 8 minutes. I don't know. Like, this shit all-wheel drive. That's why, like, it's nice. Don't get me wrong. It's nice. It's not ass. I don't know. It's too regular for me. Let me see. Can you even do a burnout? Not really. Can't really do a burnout on this shit. See, that's why I don't like Beamers, bro. But they are fast, bro. Don't get me wrong, bro. I'm gonna try the manual mode. I think I'm gonna try it in the back. I'm gonna try the manual mode by myself. See, it's Sport 1, and then there's a mode. It's manual. My son just got this, though. My son got Audi parts in here, too. We gonna get y'all right. I'm gonna really school y'all niggas in this shit, man. So I'm playing with this thing right now. Like, I'm not even... You could heat the steering wheel up, all types of stuff. Niggas must have forgot. Like, we really in one of them ones. He geeked, though. I ain't gonna lie. What the fuck is that noise? That's that shit? Yeah, this shit is too fire, bro. I would never lie to you, bro. Are we gonna do one more? Oh, I think that was that nigga right there. I ain't gonna lie to you. We out. We is out. That's the end of the little POV. I don't know if this shit could do no burnouts or nothing, bro. I'm gonna try right now. Oh, nah, this shit geeking right now. Come on, go, bro. I see you, bro. Go, bro. I'm driving this shit, nigga. Fuck you talking about? We doing straight POVs and this shit, bro. See if this shit could do a spin. If that bitch can't spin, we out. And that's that. If it could, it could. If it can, it can. Nah, no donut. No donut in this motherfucker. This bitch is fast, bro. That's BMW's problem, bro. They just want to make shit fast all day. Alright, that's the end of the POV, man. We out. I'm gonna tune y'all in later.